Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping your device and account. Grant TikTok microphone access and camera permissions so audio streams without interruption. Once done, make sure the app is updated because voice chat features require recent builds. Also confirm your account meets eligibility, age, and follower thresholds because TikTok restricts live tools otherwise. After those checks, open the live creation flow and choose the live category and thumbnail. This first setup ensures your voice route is available and reduces permission pop-up. You now begin the live and bring people into voice chat. Enter Create, select Live, then configure title and audience so you attract the right viewers. Once live, tap the guest or co-host icon and invite specific viewers. You can accept join requests manually. Use a wired headset or low-latency audio mode to avoid echo and latency, and explain to guests how to mute/unmute. Transition smoothly between speakers by calling names, which keeps conversation orderly and prevents audio collisions. You finish by managing audio controls and closing cleanly. During the live, mute noisy participants, lower background music, and swap hosts to keep the flow. Once done, end the stream and save the replay if you want shareable audio. If voice chat fails, check microphone permissions, switch to another network, or restart the stream. These quick fixes resolve most issues. Finally, review analytics to learn what worked for audio quality and adjust settings for your next voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.